Hi everybody, it's the Soap Man and it's time to make some soap. I need an extra batch for the street ministry. This is just going to be a real quickie hot process, not the full tutorial. If you're looking for a tutorial, I have some on my channel here and lots of other soapers have them as well. This is just going to be a quickie. It's going to be a single color soap. I'm going to use Brambleberry's Aqua Pearl, which is a beautiful, beautiful aqua color. And I may possibly mix in a little bit of Nurture Soap's Siren Song. I'm not sure just yet. And I love watching micas mix in oils. That's always a really fascinating thing to watch. So let's go ahead and put our Aqua Pearl in. I'm going to put about 4 teaspoons of this and probably 2 teaspoons of the other, but I want to see what this looks like first. I also have a new stick blender. This will be a chance to try it out. My others are still holding up really well, but they're really old. So let's see how this new one does. That is so neat to look. I could just sit and watch that all day. Let's put now a couple of teaspoons of the Siren Song and see what it looks like, and hope I don't ruin it. Actually, let me start with one and see if I can notice anything, and then I'll put another one in. I don't even really notice anything, so I guess I didn't ruin it. Man, I could just watch that all day. Alright, let's get ready for the lye addition. Alright, so it's time to add our lye in, and I don't worry about temperatures with hot process because I'm going to cook it. So this is very, very, very hot lye water going into very hot oils. Got to be really careful because this container is hot. And I like mine mixed really well, so I'll speed this up. I'm going to give it a few more buzzes, but I won't bore you with this. I'll bring you back for the 3 stages. Applesauce stage, mashed potato stage, gel stage, and we'll mold it. Alright, we've achieved applesauce stage. It's separated. There's oil on top. It looks like chunky applesauce. This is exactly the way it's supposed to look. And as it cooks, it will eventually come back together. And we'll hit the mashed potato stage. I'll bring you back then. Alright, look here, we have mashed potatoes. Light, fluffy mashed potatoes. This is why you have to really, really watch your hot process and never fill your crock more than half full. But we are at mashed potato stage. Nice green, fluffy mashed potatoes. And I'm already starting to see some shiny in it, which means it's almost gel phase. So I'm actually going to go ahead and pull the plug because the residual heat will finish this, but we're at mashed potato stage. We'll be at gel stage in probably a minute or less. And as I suspected, about a minute later, we're at gel phase. I can stir this. It stopped climbing. It's cooled down, calmed down some, and it's really shiny and glossy, Vaseline-like, if you had green Vaseline. But this is soap. So what I'll do is add in sodium lactate. You can't really see it. This is sodium lactate, and this will just help keep it fluid for a lot longer. This is going to have to sit for a long time to cool down before I dare fragrance it. I'm going to fragrance it with a favorite, Nurture Soap's Ginger Lime. So I'll see you tomorrow for the cut. So I went ahead and cut it off camera because it's just a single color. No swirls, no color mingling. But anyway, here's an up close, just a simple, quick hot process video. And I'll get this uploaded, and folks, I'll see you again this weekend. So thanks for watching. Bye.